Yes, today we are going to discuss about linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equation in one variable. It is of chapter 2 of class 8th. Okay, now let us see. First we should know what is mean by linear equation and one variable. Okay, as you know everybody, what is mean by variable? Variable. What is mean by variable? Here, if I'll take ax plus b is equal to 1. Now, I can take the values of x as x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, whatever it will be, right? So, what does it mean? The value of a and b could not be changed, right? These are fixed values, and 1 also cannot be changed here. 1 is 1 only. But the only value which is changed is x. So, this one is called a variable. Okay. So, here variable is x. If we will take any of the expression like suppose if I will take ay plus b is equal to sum 2. Okay, so now here a and b, these two are the constant terms and 2 is also a constant, but why we call this one as a variable? Okay, variable is y here. Now if I'll take 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, if you will see, here 3 is a constant, 0 is also a constant, but here z is called a variable. Okay, now I thought you got understood well about the variable. Variable is nothing but the value we can change it. Okay, variable means vary. Okay, now constant means that cannot be changed, it should be fixed. Okay, now in one variable and two variable, here it is given one variable, right? One variable means what? If I will take ax plus y is equal to 0. Now if you will consider x and y, two variables are there, right? X is also a variable, y is also a variable. So this equation is in two variables, we can say. Okay, so if I will take ax plus by plus c, z is equal to 0. Now if you will observe x, y and z, here these three are called the variables. So this is a linear equation in three variables. Okay, let us suppose one by one I will write so that it will be very understandable for you. First I will write ax plus b is equal to 0. Here only one variable is there, it is one variable. Okay, now if I will write ax plus by is equal to some 0, or we can take 2 also, whatever it is, but the variables are 2, x and y. These two variables are there in this equation. Okay, now if I'll take ax plus by plus cz is equal to some 2 or 3, whatever it will be. Now here if you will observe x, y and z, so 3 variables are there. How many? 3 variables are there, right? 3 variables are there. If I will take one variable, 2 variable and 3 variable, so now here it is given linear equation in one variable. One variable you got. Now what is the meaning of linear equation? What is the meaning of equation? First you should know about it, right? So whenever in any of the expression equal to is there, then only we call that one as an equation. Okay, suppose if I'll take ax plus b is less than 0, can we call this one as an equation? No, it is not an equation. It is not a equation. It is not an equation. Why we are saying this is not an equation? Why? Because equal to is not there. Suppose if I will put this one here 0, now it is called an equation. Why? Because equal to should be there. Whenever we are saying equation, equal to should be there. Okay, now if I will take like this, ax plus b is equal to 0, Now I am saying that this one is linear equation in one variable. Okay, in one variable. Why we are saying one variable? Because it is x, only one variable is there, right? We are saying equation. Why we are saying equation? Why? Because here equal to is there. Now why we are saying linear? Now let us see what is mean by linear. Okay, linear, it should be depend on the degree. Okay, it should be depend on degree. What is mean by degree? Let us see. If I will take ax plus b is equal to 0, here x power 1 is there, nothing means x power 1. So the degree of this monomial, here one term, this is one term and this is another term. So in this equation two terms are there. How many? Two terms are there. Already you have learned, but I am repeating again. Here two terms are there. It is a monomial, right? If one term is there, we call that one as monomial, and this is also a monomial. Now what is the degree of this monomial? 1. Why? Because x power 1 is there, so this is 1. Now what is the degree of this monomial? I am saying 0. Why I am saying 0? Why? Because here nothing is there, so we can take x power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1, no? So here nothing is there, so that means x power 0. Therefore the monomial degree will be here 0. Why? Because it is a constant term, so the degree will be 0. Now what is the highest between in these two? 1 or 0? 1. Therefore the highest degree of an equation is called a degree. Okay, what we call as a degree? Highest degree of an equation. Okay, here it is 1, so the degree of this equation is 1. Degree is 1. So whenever the degree is 1, we call that one as linear. What we call? We call this one as linear. Okay, what happened if the degree is 2? We call this one as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. If the degree is 3, we call that one as cubic. Okay, okay, now you may got understood well about linear equation in one variable. Okay, now let us see this chapter. Here in this chapter you should know these terms first, then only we can go and we can solve the sums. Let us see, we are taking 2x minus 7 is equal to 35. Now it is also linear equation in one variable. Why we are saying one variable? Because only x is there. Okay, why we are saying linear? Why? Because degree is 1 only, therefore. Okay, now we are saying this one is a linear equation. In linear equation, whatever is there at your right hand side is called a RHS. Okay, so 35 is in RHS. Now what is there at your left hand side? 2x minus 7. So LHS is 2x minus 7. You can write here LHS is equal to 2x minus 7 and RHS is 35. Okay, now you got about LHS and RHS. It's nothing but left hand side and right hand side. It is S. Okay, S. Got it? LHS. Now see a linear equation. It is given 2x minus 7 is equal to 35, and here it is given as 2x plus 2y is equal to 48. So here 2x plus 2y is equal to 48. Okay, and here 4x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus y is given. So what is LHS and what is RHS? Here see, 4x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 5 is given. See, where is third one? It is the third one, right? So what we call this one as? It is a left hand side, right? So it is LHS, and what is it? It is a RHS. Okay, got it? And here in this see fourth one, what it is given, fourth one is given like x square plus y is equal to z. First see here x square is there, so what will be the degree of this equation? Here see this degree is 2 and the here degree is 1, and x, y, z, 3 were given, 3 variables are there, 3 variables, and the degree highest degree is 2, highest degree is 2. So is it a linear equation? No, it is not a linear equation. No, it is not a linear equation. It is not a linear equation. I hope you got understood well, and we'll proceed next. Now let us see more what it is given. Simple equation, linear equation. Now we'll see this exercise 2.1. so we were doing exercise 2.1 now. Okay, now here see the first one, what it is given, 6m is equal to 12. Now it is linear equation in one variable. What is the variable? M is the variable. Now what we need to do? First we should know what is LHS and what is RHS. Okay, it is RHS and this is LHS. Okay, now what we need? We need m value. Okay, it is a simple equation, we have to solve this. So what we have to do? We have to write m, okay, is equal to this 12 you write here, okay, and 6 I am transposing to the, see 6 is at LHS. So what I am doing? I am transposing 6 from where? From LHS to RHS. What is meant by transporting? Means taking from one side to another side. Okay, so I am taking this 6 from LHS to RHS. Okay, so 6 will become here, 6 we have to write in a denominator. Whenever we are transposing, we should know some terms like here 6m is there, right? So it is multiplied, 6 is multiplied. So whenever we are transposing, if plus is there, we should do minus. If minus is there, we should take in plus, and if it is multiplied at LHS, then we should divide, and whenever it is division, we have to multiply. You have to remember these things first. Okay, now if I transpose 6 from LHS to RHS, what happened? Here multiplication is there, no? So it will be come in denominator, means division. Now 6 ones are 6 twos are, so m is equal to 2. Got? M is equal to 2. In this way we have to solve this simple equation. Okay, and another form is also there. Let us see how this came. See, first one, 6m is equal to 12 is given, right? So what I am doing, I am dividing, see here m is there, so what is left? 6. So I am dividing this one, I am dividing 6 on both sides. What happened then? 6m by 6 is equal to 12 by 6. Now what happened? 6 ones are 6 get cancelled. Here 6 twos are 12. So what we will get? M is equal to 2. So in this way we have to do. Okay, that is the transport method. This is the simple method. Okay. So instead of using this method, we are using transposing method at every time. Okay, in all the sums now I will use only transposing method to solve, not this method. I just make you understand how we got transpose here. Okay, now let us see the second one. What is given? Second one, here it is given 14p is equal to minus 42. Okay, now what we have to do? We need a p, right? So we need a p that is equal to minus 42 by this 14 I am writing here. Why I am writing? Why? Because first you write here what it is. It is a LHS. We will see the third one. What it is? Minus 5y is equal to 30. Now if you see here, y is the variable. Okay, what remains? Minus 5. Now we have to transpose this minus 5 from, yes, LHS to RHS. Okay, so what we have to do? Right, here first you write transposing minus 5 from LHS to RHS. So what happened? I am writing in short. Okay, so y is equal to 30 by minus 5. Now what happens? 5 ones are 5 6 are. So minus 6 by 1 is nothing but minus 6. Therefore y is equal to minus 6. Okay, you got? We will do the next one. Similarly we have to do completely, but here see what is meant by t. Don't confuse. T means transposing. What we have to transpose? Minus 5. From where? From LHS to RHS. Okay, now we'll see the next one. Now we'll see fourth one. What it is? Minus 2x is equal to minus 12 is given. Okay, what is here? Minus 2. Okay, so what we have to do? Transposing minus 2 from, yes, LHS to RHS. Then what happen? It will be x is equal to minus 12 by minus 2. So here minus minus get cancelled and 2 6 are. So 6 we got. That means x is equal to 6. We got, no? It is also very easy. So now we'll do the next one, fifth one. We'll do the fifth one now. We'll do the fifth one. What it is given? 34x. Now here 34x is equal to minus 51. Now if you will observe, what is the coefficient of x? 34. So what we have to do? Transposing 34 from it is LHS and this one is RHS, we know, right? So from where to where? From LHS to RHS. Okay, now what happened then? X is equal to minus 51. This 34 will come down, okay, at a denominator. Now we have to, now we'll see the sixth one. We'll see the sixth one. What it is given? N by 7 is equal to minus 3. Now see, observe, here n is a variable. So what is there? 7. So 7 is in denominator, right? Means in division. If division is there, then what we have to do? We have to multiply. If it is LHS, we have to do RHS. We have to take transport to RHS. Whenever we are transposing from LHS to RHS, if it is in division, means division, we have to do multiplication at another side, means right hand side. So here it is in denominator. So what we have to do? We have to transpose 7 from, yes, LHS to RHS. Then what happened? N is equal to minus 3 into 7. Okay, it is in denominator, no? So we have to multiply here. If division is there, we have to multiply. So that into 7 we have to do. So n is equal to minus 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so n value is minus 21. Let us do next. Okay, we'll see the seventh one. Okay, what it is given? 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now, here what is given? 2 by 3. Here x coefficient is 2 by 3. So, first we will take denominator. 3 is there, no? So, first we will transpose this 3 from L to R, means LHS to RHS. Then what happen? It is in denominator, no? If denominator is there, means if it is in division, then we have to multiply. Okay, if into is there, then we have to divide. Okay, whenever we will transpose. If plus is there, we have to subtract. If minus is there, we have to add. Okay, remember this one. Now let us see this. Transposing 3 from LHS to RHS. Then what happened? This will become 2x is equal to 18 into 3. This 3 will come this side. Okay, so 18 into 3. Now 2x is equal to 18 3s are, see, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5. So it will be 54. Now again we got an equation. Here x coefficient is 2. So again we have to transpose. So here I am transposing 2 from, yes, from LHS to RHS. Okay. Now how it will be? X is equal to 54. This 2 will come at denominator. Why? Because I said whenever multiplication is there, we should use denominator. That value will come at denominator. Okay. So now 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. 1 we will get, means 14. 2 7s are 14. So we are getting 27 by 1, that is 27. So x is equal to 27. I hope you got understand. We'll see the next one. Next one we will see, it is eighth one. Eighth one, what it is given? 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. Now let us see. Here 3x plus 1 is there. So first what we will do, this completely 3x plus 1 is what we call this one as, yes, LHS, and this one is RHS, right? So what we are doing, first we are taking this one and we are transposing this one to RHS. Then what happened? Right, first transposing 1 from, yes, LHS to RHS. Then what happened? 3x is equal to 16. Here plus 1 is there. So if it comes to this side, if we will transpose that one, it will become minus 1. Now 3x is equal to 16 minus 1 is 15. Now x is equal to this 15 divided by 3. Why I am writing, wait, yes, why we are writing this 15 by 3? Here see, here 15 is there, but here 3 is there. So here we are transposing 3 from where? LHS to RHS. So LHS to RHS, so that this 3 will come here in denominator. Now 3 1s are and 3 5s are. So 5 by 1 is equal to 5. Did you got? So x is equal to 5 we got. We got x is equal to 5. Okay. Now this is the answer. Let us, how we will do this one. First we are taking 3p is equal to 7. If we will transpose this 7, it will become plus 7. Okay, that means, see here, 0 plus 7 is nothing but 7 only, no? So 3p is equal to 7. Why we are writing this one? Here write, since why we are writing, we are transposing 7 from Yes, from LHS to RHS. Okay, so it will become plus 7. So 3p is equal to 7 we got. Now again 3 is there, so transposing 3, transpose 3 from LHS to RHS, then what happened? 3p is equal to 7, sorry, p is equal to 7 by 3. Okay, so p value is 7 by 3. We got this one. Got it? We'll do the next one. Now see, we'll do the 10th one. What it is given? 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. Now if you will observe, here n is there, right? So first we will take this one 13 and we will transpose this 13 from LHS to RHS. Okay, we are transposing 13 from LHS to RHS. Okay, now what happened then? Minus 6n is equal to this 7 you write as usually, and 13 will come this side, right? So it is plus 13, so it will be minus 13. Whenever we are transposing, we should check if it is plus, it will become minus after transpose. Okay, now what we will get? Minus 6n is equal to 7 minus 13 is, see here 13 is there, which is the biggest value, so we have to put first minus, and then here 6. If we will subtract 13 and 7, we will get 6. So we got this one as minus 6. Now what we have to do? n is equal to minus 6. By this minus 6 we have to put. Why we are putting like this? Because we are transposing minus 6. We are transposing minus 6 from LHS to RHS. Okay, so what happened? Minus 6 ones are minus 6. So n is equal to 1. You got n is equal to 1. Okay, did you got? We'll see the next one. Here we'll see 11th one. What it is given? 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. Okay, now first what is variable? 200y, so keep it here only, and what is left here? Minus 51. So first we have to transpose this 51 this side, minus 51 from LHS to RHS. What we are doing? Transposing minus 51 from LHS to RHS. Okay, LHS to RHS. Okay, I will write here LHS to RHS. Okay, now what happened then? 200y is equal to this 49. Here minus 51 is there, right? So if it transposes to RHS, minus 51 will become plus 51. Okay, now add these two, you will get 100, right? 100. So we got 200y is equal to 100. Now what we have to do again? Here see, 200 is there, no? So we have to transpose this 200 from LHS to RHS. So right here, transposing 200 from LHS to RHS. So it will be y is equal to 100 by 2. Why 200? Why we are writing in by? Why? Because it is multiplied, no? So if it is in multiplied, then we have to write it in denominator. Now 100 ones are 100 twos are, so we are getting 1 by 2. So y value is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we'll do next. Now we'll see the 12th one. It is given as 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. So here what we have to do? First we have to take out this 1. Okay, so we are transposing this, transposing 1 from LHS to RHS. So what happened? It will be 11n is equal to this one you write as usually, and this plus 1 will become minus 1 if you will transpose from left to right. Now what happened? 11n is equal to plus 1 and minus 1 will become 0. Now what we have? 11 again. So we have to transpose. If you will transpose this 11 from left to right, what happened? It will become n is equal to 0 by 11. It's nothing but 0. So n is equal to 0 you are getting. Okay, here you can write transposing 11 from LHS to RHS. Okay, otherwise why we are getting 11 in denominator? You may got in doubt. If you will transpose 11 from left to right, it will be in denominator. Why in denominator? Why? Because it is multiplied by n, right? 11 is multiplied by n, so it will come at a denominator. Instead of using transpose, you can write one more step if you want here. Multiplying both sides with 11, then what happened? See here, if I'll not write like this, what happened then? 11n by 11 is equal to n by 11, 0 by 11. Why? 11n by 11, 0 by 11. What I did? I multiplied 11 on both sides. So what happened? 11 ones are 11. So n only we are getting. Here 0 by 11 is also 0. In this way also you can do. Okay, two methods that you have here. Instead of transposing, you can write like this also. Got it? So we'll do the next one now. We'll do the 13th one. Now let us do 13th one. Okay, 13th. What it is given? 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Here also first we have to transpose this 9. See, minus 9 transposing from left to right. So what happened? 7x is equal to 16. This minus 9 will become plus 9 then. Okay, so 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. So what we have to do now? Here 7 is there. So now I am dividing. I am dividing 7 on both sides. So what happened then? 7x by 7 is equal to 25 by 7. Now see, 7 get cancelled. Here x is equal to 25 by 7. We are getting this one as an answer. Okay, it is 7. Got it? We'll do the next one. Now next one is 14th one. What it is? 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. It is given. So here first we will transpose this 5 by 2. Okay, transpose, right. Transposing this 5 by 2 from left to right. Okay, so what happened then? 8x is equal to 13 minus 5, plus 5 by 2 will become here minus 5 by 2. Okay, now so what happened then? 8x is equal to, see, 13 2s are 26. Here minus 5 is there, so put and divided by 2. How we will do? 26 minus 5 is 21 by 2. So we got 8x as 21 by 2. But what we need? See here, I will write again. 8x is equal to 21 by 2. Now what I will do? I will divide 8 on both sides. Why I am dividing? Why? Because 8x is there. If I divide it with 8, then what happened? 8 get cancelled. You are getting x is equal to 21 by 8 to the 16. Okay, got? So in this way I got this answer. Okay, here see 21 by 16 we got. Next we'll do another sum, that is the 15th one. Okay, here also 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9 if it is given. What happened? Here minus 5 by 3 will transpose to RHS, right here, transpose minus 5 by 3 from LHS to RHS. Then what happened? 4x is equal to 9 minus 5 by 3 will become plus 5 by 3, right? Now what happened? 4x is equal to 9 3s are 27 plus 5, write this 5 divided by 3. 27 plus 5, 32 we are getting, and here you write denominator 3. Now what we got? 4x is equal to 32 by 3 we got. Now if you'll observe, here 4 is there. So for that, what we are doing, we are dividing 4 on both sides. If you will divide 4 on both sides, what happen? Here we are doing 4x by 4 is equal to 32 by 3 into 4. Okay, so now see, 4 get cancelled. We are getting x is equal to, this 4 8s are 32, right? So here 8 by 3 we are getting. So x is equal to 8 by 3 is the answer. Okay, next we'll do the last one. That is the 16th one. What it is given? X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 1 by 2. First we will change this mixed fraction as a improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this can be written as 7 by 2. So now I will write x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 7 by 2. Now what we have to do? We have to transpose this 4 by 3 from transposing 4 by 3 from left to right. Okay, so what happened? X is equal to 7 by 2. If you will transpose this 4 by 3 from left to right, what happened? It will become minus. Okay, now x is equal to, how we will do? 2 3s are 6. Okay, and now cross multiply. 7 3s are 21. Here minus is there, put minus. 4 2s are 8. 21 minus 8. How much? It is 13, right? 13 by 6. So we are getting x is equal to 13 by 6. X is equal to 13 by 6. This is the answer. Can we simplify more this one? No. So we have to stop here only. Got it?